everyone, I am Jeliza Janka and today I'm going to show to you how I make my instructional materials called the Animal Habitats Interactive Book. So without further ado, let's begin. The materials that we will be needing today are a book binder, a scotch tape and a double-sided tape. Of course, we have scissors, a Velcro, and a folder, and a printable materials. First, we need to make printable materials for our books. So I made my own printable materials about the different habitats I found online, edited it myself, and printed out. Now for the animals, cut out the different animal pictures using your scissors, of course. Now, after cutting our pictures, we need a solid base for our different animals. So if you are using bond paper, paste the pictures into a folder to create a hard base for your animals. Since I do not have a glue, I am using a double-sided tape. So here is the result. If you put the printed pictures into the folder, I should have used laminated paper to laminate these pictures, but due to COVID, I do not have to go outside. So just instead of using a laminated paper, I use scotch tape to prevent from getting destroyed by liquid substances like water. Now this is very time consuming, but if you do have laminating machine in your home, use that to laminate your picture to save time. Since I do not have one here, so let us be resourceful. Now I'm using a Velcro to paste it behind the printed pictures that I made earlier. And I bought this Velcro online. It already has a tape, so it's not that hard to put it. But it is very hard to cut it out, and it's not easy to use this, so be careful when using scissors. Now we are done and finished with our printed characters. I do have other characters for this interactive book since it is all about animals and their habitats. This is how I arrange my interactive book. I put the other printed materials such as the cover as well as the picture background of the different habitats. For example, this safari right here. To finalize our instructional material, put another Velcro at the book binder itself so that when children use this book, they can transfer animals and put them into their habitat using a Velcro. Here is an example of the animals being put into their own habitat. Now I just put and place the other animals into the other page by creating a pocket to where the animals or the characters will be put. Here is our final look for our interactive book about animal habitats. And that's it for my instructional materials. I hope you enjoy and God bless. Thank you. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye!